we're going to start on this monster. This is Mystic Nia's Ternanog. I always say that wrong. Don't yell at me. I tried. Blue. Gonna be 100% honest with you. This is too big. This is going to go to my friend Jem of Fun Horn Heroes. Check him out. And I'm currently reprinting one that's for a normal sized, well, I guess it's my size, so a tiny head. This thing is huge, absolutely ginormous. So, like, this should stop like up here. But we're gonna get going on this one. Either way, I still gotta print the front of the face, which we'll be able to pop in with some magnets. Amazing model by Zero to Hero Cosplay. It'll at least be on my Patreon, so check that out. We're gonna print the horns, the face on this still, but we can get some spot play on this. Beautiful detail. The back, I don't know if it's 100% accurate. Very hard to find a back shot of Blue, but this is what we could kind of get figured out. I have found a little bit better reference, but it's not different enough. I don't think it's worth completely changing, but we'll see. We'll see. It's still kind of a work in progress, but we're gonna get this going. So I have the smaller one printing, and yes, all the other ones are coming. So let's get some putty on this and see what we're working with. Alright, so this is looking good. I'm going to try to just dry brush the back gold here. I don't know how I could mask this and not lose my mind. So we're going to do that, and then we'll mask and actually paint the top here. But other than that, I think it turned really good. I need to get going on the horns. It's right behind there. It hasn't even been touched yet, so I'll probably get some putty on it tonight. We'll see how it's going. But that's the plan. We'll see what works, and if we screw this up, we'll just repaint it. So no big deal. Horns turned out rather well. I'm going to get them on, and then we'll do the black wash on them and clean up a little bit of this. And then we'll get the satin clear on them and get the face painted. That's going to be next. And hopefully we should be close to getting this done. Okay, we got the mouth plate satin finish on it, looking beautiful. We're gonna get these magnets. There's some supports in there. We're gonna get them dug out on both the helmet and the mouth plate, get the magnets in, and then we're gonna finish it. And then we'll get to the spin around. Knocking it off the list, another Mystic Knights helmet. God, I wish I could pull his name right now. For some reason, I've been trying to think of it for like 10 minutes and it's just escaping me, and my phone's downstairs. I want to say it's like Taven or something. I'm not sure. Love this helmet. First off, Zero killed it on this model. So a little backstory with this model. I did go about it on stream, but there are no good pictures of the back. We got some. Shout out to community and some other people. We got some pictures from the show, but they're still so blurry. I mean, they're just so low quality. You can't quite tell what's on the back. Even the figure isn't very helpful. What we ended up doing, we used some of the best pictures we got, were some of the profile pictures for the advertisement and DVD cover or something, where we could see half of it. Funny enough, I'm sure you all know Jim Kelly, if you're in the community or anything. If not, he's a great guy. Check him out on Twitter. He has the actual, like, original pictures taken for the promotional for Mystic Knights. So he's got really high quality pictures of the chest. He posted them on Twitter before. So we took the chest for blue, cropped it, made it one thing, and I think that's close enough. Honestly, I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is one-to-one what it looks like, but I don't think anyone really knows. If someone has some actual like set pictures or something of this helmet, please let me know. We will get the models updated. I promise you that. But with all we have and all the reference we have, this is the best we could do. I think Zero did an amazing job. The mask is amazing. The top part's amazing. The back is still, it looks great for all things considered. I love doing these helmets. They're really fun. They're intimidating. Very intimidating. This thing's very uncomfortable to wear. I need to work out a little bit something better with the magnets in it. Like, I don't know. The idea is there, but the execution just seems to be failing. I had the same problem with silver. I'm hoping on red I can figure something out. I probably should have put in this just a little bigger. They're very hard to scale right. The corners of the mask like push in on my temples and make it super uncomfortable. If you saw me wearing it here a little bit ago, it was just not enjoyable. I mean, it looks cool, and I'll give you that. I wish I could like get it lined up a little better, but other than that, I think it turned out amazing. I truly think these helmets are a absolutely missed opportunity to do more with this series. I know season 2 is kind of planned. There's action figures of it. Well, there's pictures of action figures of it. If we ever get any like high quality scans of those, we could try to make season 2 helmets. I don't know, we could have fun with it, but until then, let's get the rest of the team knocked out. I promise you, we have white is almost ready to paint, red is getting close there, and I'm trying to get bronze cooking, getting modeling, but these will be up on the Patreon here soon once all the videos are out, so look forward to that. Again, make sure you join the Patreon. They'll be available to the higher tiers, and maybe for purchase, just in general, if we get there. I just wanted to get the videos out first, make sure the files work before we put them out there. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're looking forward to the rest of the Mystic Knights. Make sure you go back and check out Silver if you missed that video. As always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosmetic Props and Toys. Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on monstrosities like these. Check out the merch store. Lots of cool t-shirts in there, mugs, whatever you're into. Check out the Discord. Come hang out. If you got any pictures of the back of the actual helmet, let me know. But come make friends. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.